it's really small compared to all the other places that we've been. But one time we stayed here with the Wallabies, and it was basically the hotel was like a zoo. It was a crazy experience, and as you wake up one morning and you look out the window and there's like a giraffe walking past your window, and I don't think there's any place in the world where you get that, especially as a rugby player, to be able to wake up one morning and see a giraffe walk past your window, and then later on that day you're going to go out and have a game of rugby. And the first thing I did when we got off the plane, straight there, bought a few packets, started chewing it, go to the room, sit there eating on it, and then when we landed in Bloemfontein, I always know that there's that little store at the airport. I always go straight. That's always the first thing I do. Go straight over there and just buy a big bag of it, sit on the bus, hand it out to the boys, and just watch it. But I think I ate too much yesterday. The hotel wasn't smelling too fresh.